Hello. So today we'll be styling this hair into various styles. So we don't just carry our hair like this. Like why? If you don't know me, my name is Oyse and welcome to my YouTube channel.
One I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the bend, the cash, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the bend. Die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take to my way. Plenty survive with face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the cash, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the cash, ride the foot, and the feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling, flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family, frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall be head of state. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the cash, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the cash, ride the foot, and the feet.
I ran out of style. I can't think of anyone anymore. But well, if you've enjoyed this video till this point, kindly subscribe, like, share. What else do we do here again? Leave a comment here. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello guys. Hello. So today I'll share with you how I style. Hi guys.